friends to the sea, but now my homies living big life, big dreams. I take my whole life when I started choosing me, and now you see I'm living big life, big dreams. And I got my mind right and financial grind tight when I got with Sheryl big life, big dreams.
Hi everybody. Today I'm here to talk to you about your credit. That's right. Is your phone ringing? Are you scared to actually answer the phone because creditors are asking you to actually pay your bills? Well, guess what? If someone was kind enough to you to actually extend you credit, it's just like you giving a loan to the man down the street. And when he doesn't pay you back, you're going to be a little upset. And you know what? At least let them call you and tell you what's going on. Have you ever had somebody that you loaned them money and then they pretended like they don't even know that they owe you money? They're not even talking to you anymore. They're going to act like if you don't say nothing, I'm not going to say nothing either. Well, you guys, that's the same thing with our creditors. We need to communicate with them. If you can't pay the bill, just let them know, hey, I'm not going to be able to pay this bill. Can we work out some type of an arrangement? Work out an arrangement. Talk to them. Then what I want you to do is actually get you one of those, I'm going to say like Credit Karma. That's the one that I actually use. Use Credit Karma, and then that way you can actually take advantage of looking at what's going on with your credit on a regular basis. And if you haven't done it in a while, you can actually go to annualcreditreport.com where you can actually get a listing because it's free, where you can actually get all three from Equifax, TransUnion, and Experience, so that you can actually get all three of those credit reports and actually know where you are and what you need to work on. And if there's stuff on there that you have no knowledge about, then you can actually call them and find out, hey, what is this on my credit report? I don't recognize this. I don't even understand what this is. Find out what's on there so that you can go about actually adjusting it and cleaning it up so that you can actually end up paying less. That's right. Do you know that a lot of the interest that you end up paying is because of the way that you have been handling your credit? You guys, your credit is basically like a report card, letting people know how good you are, whether or not they can trust you with money. So make sure that your credit is on point by actually communicating with your creditors, paying your bills on time. If you're having problems, working out some type of a payment arrangement so that you can pay your bills and get your credit in line so that you can do what? So that you can make one of those great purchases, which is buying your own home and get a really great interest rate so that you can get a beautiful home that you love, that you're going to enjoy being in and being able to afford it at a rate that is ideal for you and your family. So then once you get in the home, you can actually stay in the home, you guys. Credit is a wonderful thing, and we have to treat it that way. It is really somebody saying, hey, I trust you enough to let you have this credit. And you know what? We want to honor them and honor ourselves. You feel a lot better when you handle your business. That's all credit is. It's about you handling your business. So you can do it. And if there's mistakes on there, you can get them cleaned up. You can actually write to the credit bureaus and let them know, hey, I don't recognize this. This should not be there. And I can tell you for a fact, once upon a time, I looked on my credit report and it was somebody that had a name just like mine. And they had went to a doctor and here was their information on my credit report. Well, I had to get it cleaned up, but I did get it cleaned up and got it off of my credit report. And you can do the same thing for any things that shouldn't be on there. And I believe it takes something like 7 years, you guys, to get rid of a derogatory mark on your credit report. However, those creditors can actually sell that to somebody else, which is what they do. And then that clock starts all over again. And that's why it's so important to get rid of those ugly things that are on your credit report. Get them off. And you know what, you guys? I'm going to be having a live pretty soon where I'm going to dive really deeper into the credit game, where you can get off some of the misinformation that's there so that you can clean up your credit and be able to get the correct purchases with that credit, which is going to be your home. We want to begin to get assets that actually make money. Love you guys. Have a wonderful day. Bye. And this was all about credit and helping your credit get on point. Bye. You want to be part of that 700 Club.